see mountain sunset. I could just go for it before you leave for you go back to Canada. But instead he's been busy fixing the Weibo. So he said he will store the car. But he will leave it parked in the garage, disconnect the battery. Okay.
Disconnect.
The car will be
Bata nga matandes. Ang bata nga matandes, nagadayan-dayan kag mag Uy, abogin parayo na. Rayo aw. Yay, rayo kita. Rayo gito gibutangan mo. Op. Agoy. Bunggo. Ti nakaano mong nakaturog tanan mong sa sarakyan.
gani naka-charge.
Yay, Paris na kradiin.